Hello, how are you? Namaste. कैसे हैं आप? Today is a session on our premium suits exclusively launching first for you. So, as you know, we do this time to time. We have a beautiful collection today. I want to go to show you one by one all of these pieces, and especially first thing that we are going to be showing you is something that you all have been waiting for a very long time, and it's the Kora cut work Sona Rupa suits. And if I'm not clear, let me just show it to you what amazing range of colors I have today for you. We have orders, we have pre-orders for these, and yes, therefore you get to see it first. And yes, so let me just start with the color. And the first color that has come, these are all exclusive one of pieces, I think, in one of the colors. This pink, I know for sure, is a single color. Now the last time we did it was completely a sellout. We just had a couple of pieces and we restocked it again, and I'm going to show you these one by one. These are called Ektara work. It's an Ektara cut work in Kora cotton, and you will see that there is also Kora silk thread has been used, which is why you will see this really beautiful sheen to it. This one is a beautiful shade of pink. It's a very light shade of pink. You will see. Now I'm just going to open this one for you so that it's really clear. And this is the border at the very end of the kurta. It's also there at the back, so you'll have a border at the back and at the front. And this is the dupatta. The tassels have not been done yet, but it will be done before we ship it out to you if you want it. If you don't want the tassels, because I know some of you prefer it folded, in that case we will just kind of leave it as is. This is the color one of it, and yes, it's a beautiful shade of pink. This one is a single piece, so yes. And let me just show it to you. This is the border. This is the gold zari border. It's called the Ektara work in Kora cotton in Sona Rupa. And this is the kurta. Let me fold it to you to give you a preview again. Needless to say, I know you can very well imagine wearing these pieces, beautiful pieces, in many an occasion, right from, of course, this is a perfect wedding, summer wedding look. And, some work would also look very beautiful on it. Why not? Some embellishment, some highlighting will just make it pop even more. A beautiful shade of Rani pink. So now this is the second shade we have, and look at that. It really brightens up the skin, and it's a dark day today. We do all of these in natural light, so everything has been done on natural light. This is the second color. I think we have two pieces in it, if I'm not wrong. Sometimes the availability is better clear known to the team. This is, again, you can see the design, the Sona Rupa here. Let me show the border to you. This is the border. This is, so something, if you're looking for something which is really bright, and this kind of a color is a all season color. Like, one, it's an all season, and you can also wear it any time of the day. And this is the dupatta. I have many more treasures lined up for you, and I'm going to show these all to you one by one. Many of these pieces are something that you all have been waiting for a long time. All the prices are on request. You can check with us on the prices. Look at that. Yes. So this is the second shade in Rani pink. Here it goes, filling up the screen. And yeah, we are ready for the Fulo Ki Holi today that we're going to be doing in the live today. So do not forget, because today's live is going to be about cottons. Yes, all kinds of cottons, woven, printed, you get it, woven, printed, weaving, embroidery, a bit of all of that. Red. This red, I know many of us, are a little wary about wearing the color red, but I'm a big fan. It's like, wearing yellow. It's the perfect color to just, uplift your mood. But of course, this one is a little dressy, but what's not to love? You can see this. It's the perfect pick me up. This is the border. Let me show it to you like this. The buta is going all over the front and the back, and the border is also there. I think I've just opened it in a way कि आपको उल्टा दिख रहा है, but let me kind of, yes, now let me show it to you like this. I hope it's still okay. Let me hold it like this now. I think that, yes, now this will resolve the issue. This is the color red. Yes, here it is, and I'm going to fold this one. I really feel that do not shy away from wearing red. It looks wonderful on Indian skin tones, all our skin tones. I think it looks absolutely wonderful. I think us Indians, all of us, can carry off colors in a way no one can, all of us Asians, I think, with so much color as a part of our culture, it's amazing. And I remember a small story in my lawyer days. I used to be a lawyer once, ages ago. I think ages ago. Once, I was going to say long time ago, but yeah, ages ago, I was a lawyer. I was a corporate lawyer working in Singapore, and I remember I wearing a bright fuchsia pink kurti on a Saturday, which was a casual day, and my Singaporean boss was amazed. She said, "You can actually think of wearing this color to the office." And really, I was very young. I didn't really think much of it, and I said, "Yes, I love the color." So yes, that's about us and colors. I think we just carry it so well. She said that it looks wonderful on you. I said you should try it too, and which is what I tell everyone: the red, it's beautiful. Try it. We also have a black and blue this time as a surprise package because we didn't have that color. But let's first do this yellow because we're going to do light to dark. So anyways, that's about us and colors, and with the ease that we carry it, I think it's unmatched, absolutely. This golden color, this golden shade of yellow. Now what would also be amazing is that if you do want to kind of have a contrast with this, these suits are perfect for those sharara that you've been thinking about, for a skirt, for all those lehengas, even then. So you can leave the bottom if you don't want the bottom, and you could take more fabric, or you could take the same silk fabric or kora fabric or something that you have already. Either ways, you could take that and really make it dressy with a sharara and lehenga and a long kurta and this dupatta. The bottom, even if it's a bottom of a salwar or a pants, those can be in contrast color and they would look just as nice. Because if you have worn a yellow on yellow, all those kind of colors, why not wear something that is that is contrasting, and you will see that the colors will pop up even more. Like now with this, of course, you could wear the brighter colors, but what would also look at this, how rich this color is. And what would also look beautiful is a gold, it's a silver bottom, so yes, we could do a plain on plain, we could do, this is the dupatta. It's very pretty, the color, it's all for you to see. I'm going to open it a bit to show you the yellow filling up the, this is actually, I call this as a gold, buttery gold color, and it's so rich. So this one, yeah, these colors, some of them are more day specific. I would say, this would look beautiful on a sunny day outdoors or indoors, either ways. But yes, but you could take a rich lehenga with it and sharara with it in gold, in contrast, and they would look even nicer if you do want to make them heavier. If you want to wear them as a simple suit, why not? What's to go wrong in that? Let's go for the black first. And here, of course, in these darker colors, this work is going to shine even better, even brighter, better. You can see the border, it's there on both the sides. Do remember to use this border in bright, in around the neck, around the slits, somewhere. You do need to use these these borders, or even if not for this dress, you can just save it, make a nice blouse out of it later, take a plain silk and just ideas. But what's not to use in this, in these outfits, it will look even dressier. So this is the black. You can imagine wearing this now. The moment these dark colors come, you can really wear it to any formal dinner, to events, and oh god, look at the contrast. That the contrast is what's so beautiful about the dark colors. And yes, the tassels, as I said, they will look even better once the tassels have been done. It will make them look dressier. But if you want a simple folding, yes, you can do that. Especially if you're going to go for a contrast bottom, you could get the pasting done of the contrast on the border of your dupatta. That looks also very nice. So if you do already have a couple of pieces with tassels, if not, you must get it done. We we Banarsi people are famous for those tassels which are handmade. I wish I can show you. Let me see if something comes up. But handmade tassels from the fabric itself, they look beautiful. Look at this blue. I'm going to show this blue to you. That's the blue kurta. Of course, in the dark colors, the zari pops out more. The iktara work, this is the last color, and this is the iktara work. This is the dupatta. Let me show it to you a little in opening. And this fabric, let me just talk a little more about the fabric before we wind up on this collection and move on to the next. You can see this is how soft it is. It's very, very soft. But of course, it's Kora silk and cotton. This is the back of the dupatta. It's done in cut work, iktara, sona, rupa work. And it's very wearable. It's very easy. It will need lining. The kurta, the bottom is your choice. We're going to be giving you premium mal cotton silk fabric for the bottom with it, and it's your choice. If you want, you could also take silk bottom at additional price. You could take more fabric for the bottom. Either way, so all up to you. We are able to kind of customize to that extent for your needs. And let me do this. Look at this combination. The last from our premium cotton iktara suits. Now the next what's coming up, I'm going to show you these two colors, and this is something I know many of you have been waiting for. These two pieces in this design, we've hardly had a chance to kind of release them much. They just kind of go before we even get a chance to do it. These are our premium Sona Rupa suits in linen by Georgette. Look at that fall. Look at this. It's a beautiful shade of pink. Now, pink and me, every time I'm going to say it's beautiful, that's how much I love all shades of pink. And this pink and the earlier, I think the first pink that I showed you, very similar. The borders at the very end and also at the back. Yes, so at the front and the back you will see the borders running, to this work extends all over the place. This is Georgette by Linen, which is why it has this unique, very, very unique texture to it. And what's special, I think we've done one piece probably in one of the lives. That's the only piece that we've been able to do. Otherwise, they've all kind of gone out before that. Anyways, but this is, we do have two pieces now. And I was telling you earlier, what's so special about this is the Meena work at the end, and that's the different look. It's a very contemporary design. The kurta is pretty contemporary. Look at this, yes. And this, look at this. This is the design at the very end. This Meena work, let me just open and show it to you again. Let me show it. It's at the very end at both sides of the dupatta, and I think that much color just kind of adds to it, adds very much. Look at the tassels. The tassels are very pretty, matching the Meena in this. This is the tassel. So this is our first piece. Okay, let me show it to you together. This is how it is. Yes, this is the first piece from the Georgette Linen collection. Only two today, and I hope that you get a chance. If you've been eyeing this one for some time, I do hope you get a chance to buy it. Anyways, this is the second one. This is the Sona Rupa, and now you can see in the white the zari really kind of comes out. You can see how contemporary the design is. It is of course Banarsi. All of our pieces are made in Banaras, be it a print, be it an embroidery, be it weaving. That is where all our clusters, the entire cluster that we work with are settled. So look at this. This is the border which is going to be at both ends of the kurta. And this is going to come like this, the kurta side at the end. Georgette by Linen makes sure that you have this very, very distinct texture to it. It's very different from just a Georgette, just a linen. And, yes, I know many of you have been finding for linen suits in this season, obviously so. And yes, This Meena changes with the color, more subtle, more soft, and especially also the tassels. So you have a brighter, you have a brighter look with that one, and you have a very, very subtle, very sophisticated look with this one. So these are the two pieces in our Georgette linen. I hope you get your chance to get your hands on it. Now what we're going to do today apart from this is some jacquard fabric. That, yes, this is a jacquard fabric. This is season appropriate. It's basically a Georgette by silk fabric, and it's very this is a proper emerald green. This color, it never does justice. Green and turquoise and ferozis and peacock blue on screen, no matter how we do it. But this one, you can see this up and close, has this jacquard fabric, jacquard texture over it. It's perfect for kurtas, jackets for men and women. It's been very popular last season, since last wedding season when we started this fabric. For both, I think a lot of brides and their to-bes have matched themselves. We've gotten different colors, and we have different colors coming up, and this is the same on same combination. Many of you looking for same on same, and here it is. This is the lotus pure Georgette dupatta with this green, emerald green, very same color. So this is a completely green look. So here it is. This is a pure Georgette, again Sona Rupa. This fabric, you could drape it in any ways. Georgette is super flexible. The tassels are done. This is ready to ship out. You could check with me on all their prices, and we'll share it with you. And this is the first combination in jacquard. Now this one is a Georgette, and this was a jacquard silk. Moving on to the next, we do have some combinations for you. Now this one is in a Georgette. Now we're going to be doing some random combinations here, pieces that I have kind of liked putting together. And look at this. This is a light gold color in Georgette. It's a pink. It's a shade of pink. And this one, again, as I said, has that flow, because Georgette will have this flow. So makes it perfect for, anarkali or a lehenga. Look at this, how it flows. So the combination and the dupatta that we have done with this one is this piece in ivory, rare as it is, this ivory color. It comes with this. So yeah, this is the look. Let me just show it to you. This pink, very, very, so look at this soft and subtle combination. This is of course dyeable, but I think the entire grace is of the ivory color, and the pink Meena matching this piece. Very, very, the gold matches, and so very unique and different. Moving on to the next combination. Let's do this Munga silk. Yes, so now we have another jacquard, and this one is a deep purple color, and what we have put together with this is this Munga silk dupatta. Look at this. So yes, a pink and a purple, favorites of many. You could even do a same on same kurta and the bottom with this. Yes, this is a fabric that you need to take care of because it has this texture, but nevertheless it looks very, very smart, and not a very tight pants kind of a thing, but something which is very soft. This is the Munga silk. Look at this. Very again, Munga silk, of course, it's best known for the intensity of the color, how easy it is to wear, and this texture which is very different and unique from from all of them, from silk, from Georgette. Each of these have their beautiful texture, and that's what's special about it. That let me break it and do one black in the middle. Why not, right? So let's do this black. This is in tussar. Now we were talking about Munga is a very distinct fall. This is a tussar. Now this is in a black. This is tussar by Georgette. Tussar has this line texture all over it, and you can see the Meena here, which is Sona Rupa Meena color. In the end, you will see this, and this one is a black on black. So this one is with a very popular Kadwa Sona Rupa dupatta in Georgette. Look at this flow, look at the tassels, and yes, so this is the combination for this tussar suit. Should I fold it and show it to you again? Maybe I should. So yes, give me a few minutes. Yes, this. and with this Georgette dupatta. So the kurta and the bottom will be in silk. It will be in plain chinia silk. You could, of course, take it in a contrast color and it would look very beautiful, especially matching this hot pink. Why not? Look at this combination. The Tussar Georgette, only single piece in this one. We have 3 more colors. One, and this is the red. It's a wonderful red. This one, very, very subtle. This is another color. And with this one, what we have, sorry for the lint, this business that we are in, we are like lint masters, you know. Anyways, so this is the jacquard. You can see the fall, but I would say that get a jacket, get a plain kurta and long jacket with it, you know, long kurta, long jacket with it. With this, it would look wonderful. And this one we have paired with this dupatta. So most of the pieces, you know, the 2 sets that I showed you at the very beginning, all the Kora Iktara suits that I showed you at the very beginning, and the linen Georgette that I showed you. But this range that I've been showing you, except for of course this one as well, all of these dupattas and kurtas you could buy together, you could buy separately, yes. And this is a shaded red to purple, a combination, you know, that always looks nice and makes it very, very dressy, as I can say. And this one, a red, and this, so now you can wear it with the purple side, you could wear with the red side. Either ways, let me just fold it halfways and show it to you and how this would look. Yes, this is the look. This is the red jacquard with this fabric, very wearable. It won't have the sheen of katan, but it has this very relaxed structure, which is what, you know, makes it very wearable. The same thing with Munga. This one is of course with zari, but Munga has its softness, you know, you can just wear it. It's very elegant because it's quite muted, the look. We also have this combination, same dupatta. We've done this with a gold fabric. So this fabric has been very popular. This is raw silk. It's a gold color, cream color mostly. And for a same on same, let me show it to you up and close. Here it is, up and close. And this one also, so if you want a slightly neutral, more subtle one, then this one's for you. You could do it with the gold matches perfectly. So this is also a combination. And the last one that we are doing is a win-win, because it's Georgette in this haldi color, and we've done a bandhani dupatta with this one. This is the 2.5 bandhani dupatta, and this is a combination. So yes, I mean, bandhanis are a rarity at our place because we are always sold out. This is one of the pieces that we have, very, very pretty. Yes, in pure Georgette with kadwa zari work. And this is the combination. Let me show it to you. So this is an unusual combination because haldi color is a very, very traditional color, but black is of course, you know, it's very different from how we perceive it, you know, us Indians. This color, whether we wear a black to this or that, this is always a question, but I think it's an unusual you know, combination. So if you want to wear haldi but in a non-traditional setting, then this is a good way to wear it. Now what we do have, and you know, you guys get to see this first, is we have a new set of colors in our premium cotton, and I'm going to open this up and show it to you with the combinations. But this one's beautiful. This one's in white. Now we did one exclusive launch which you guys got to see only in that, you know, orangish color, in the pink color. And then we did the stripes, which is a complete sellout. Everything, all of these pieces are completely sold out thanks to you guys. So thank you for that. Now we have gone and we've, you know, taken the summer a notch up, and we have gotten this in this ivory white. And look at this. This, I think many of you have already kind of, you know, bought these pieces. What's unique now? Let me try to find it. Yes. Here. So anyways, so what's unique? So look at this. This is how transparent it is or not it is. I mean, you have to wear a lining. It just takes the fabric, you know, makes it look very, very graceful, apart from of course, you know, the transparency issue and it lasting better. Super graceful. Sona Rupa in Kadwa in pure cotton. This is a cotton by cotton hand woven fabric. Okay, let me yes, now I think I have, so it's sorted. I'm not cutting this to show you a small piece because, you know, we get all size of requests for length, and these are all limited Takes a lot of time to get these made in a pure white. Now imagine just wearing this white with the gold culottes or something. It's very summery, and huge sunglasses. Yes, so yeah. So anyway, so if you're going to be outdoors, if you're going to be indoors, many ways of wearing this one. Very, very elegant. And this is the combination that we are doing. If you want to make it dressier, if you want to wear it for an heavier occasion, so this Georgette dupatta, also in a pastel gray. It's a gray blue kind of a shade. This is also Sona Rupa, and with this I think it's a really a winning combination because it's so graceful. If you have not gotten a chance to buy this, try this is one of our best cottons that is available, and it's really worth trying because I know so many of you have so many Banarasi pieces. This one's worth trying. Even if you don't want to buy it, we are happy to send a swatch sample to you. Just send us a request and we'll send it to you. Just see how graceful this fabric is. It's unmatched, the elegance of it. Sorry for that. This dupatta, let me just open and show you this dupatta. Yes, this is how it is. Of course, Georgette, super fall, and this combination with this whiteness together here. All the fluff filling the screen up, but it's not that fluffy. It's just that it's the whole thon that I have in my hand. Anyways, the next color is black. What's to say about black? I think we get so much black and we sell so much of black that it's rarely there, especially in cotton. And look at this. This is pure cotton by cotton, Sona Rupa, up and close for you guys. So, and this one I would say, get some neck work done on it, or wear it in a long way. It's beautiful how it looks and how it feels. Super elegant. I have a couple of kurtas in this, and I think it's very, very graceful. With this one, what we have matched is we have matched this heavy tissue dupatta with this one. So look at this. The gold matches perfectly. This is a tissue by tissue dupatta, one of our exclusive pieces, and you can see how it is. You can see it here. Let me just show it to you how it would look. I'm going to open this. This is a pure tissue dupatta, and it's rare because it does take a lot of time. We have very few weavers who are kind of able to make this one for us. And yes, this is how it looks. The gold color really standing out in this, and that's the look. This kind of gold, and this is the tassels that I was talking about, the handmade tassels that we are at Banaras are a specialist at. So this, and it has a nice, it's not too fluffy. You can carry it very easily, but this gold is something that you will only see in this kind of tissue, which is what makes it rare and special. And this unusual combination of a premium cotton with a premium tissue dupatta, here it is for you. And the last piece that we have today is now this cream color. These classic colors that we've done, you can wear many dupattas with it. You can just wear it as is. There's no need for a dupatta if you don't want to wear. And the goldness, we're going to use a cream lining. You need to use a cream lining in this. Just you can see how it kind of gives you that very light, soft, pastel, natural look, and the both the colors really coming out. So it's very important that the color of the lining is correct. So yes, please tell your boutiques to use not only the best quality, which are soft, which are not very stiff, but also the exact right color, which will only make your pieces look even richer, because that mismatched lining, look at this is again a very, very pastel combination. This I'm just looking at it to admire. It's subtle, and yes, summer worthy, all season worthy, really. What's stopping us to really wearing this piece all year round? And this is the Georgette, the Sona Rupa. Here you can see the Sona Rupa. Look at this, and with this one you will see this combination. Showing it to you again, And thank you guys for watching this. This is one of our exclusive previews, first going up on YouTube and then much later, or maybe not if it's sold out, on Facebook and Instagram. And thank you so much. Bye bye.